Welcome guys, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix enable to connect to Nvidia. So basically what you'll need to do is go to the Windows search and type services. After that, when you open the services, you'll need to scroll down until you find Nvidia. So right here, Nvidia display container ls, right click it and click restart. After that, what you'll need to do is go to Windows search again and type add or remove programs, and this should open up. And basically now you will need to search for Nvidia and you'll see Nvidia app, uninstall it and install it again, and that's pretty much it. So that's how you fix your issues. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one. Peace.